everyone. Thanks for stopping in today. I have a Nail Shack package here. I was excited to get these. A big thank you to Deanna for continuing to send these to me. This is the March 2022 bag. How adorable this month. Nice. DIY Nail Shack can be found on Cratejoy. They are on Instagram. I'm not sure if they're on Facebook, honestly. They have an adult pack. These are nail wraps, $9.95 a month. Kids pack, $8.95 a month. You receive 4 full sets of nail wraps, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file. Let me show you that. And they come nicely wrapped. There's blue this month. Oops. Fold that over. I'm just getting a little peek here myself. Cute. Oh, these are adorable. Wow. Okay. So, let's take a look at the first ones. Here are the first ones. Glittery. They're floral. They're, I mean, just pinks, blues, orange, yellow, purples. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we have a complete purple set, a solid set. Very nice, like that. I think this is adorable too. And these are the newer packs by the, you know, the packaging. So these are nice. This is like a dark green. And there's 2 rows. Look, you can, I don't know if you guys can see, there's 2 rows there. And then these are like seem much bigger than the other ones. Like the actual wrap itself compared to, like, here, let's compare. You know, thumb to thumb. They just seem so much bigger in this pack, my opinion. These are adorable. These are probably my favorite. And these are right here, like more like the 4-leaf clover, the green, you know, stripe and glitter. Adorable. I like them a lot. You could probably get away with putting some of these on your toes if you wanted. Love these. So 2 for the month of March, more St. Patty's Day-ish. And then like a spring Eastery one. And this one could be, you know, a spring set. Definitely think this is worth it. This is a cute little set. I usually keep 1 set for myself. I usually do accent nails. Sometimes I put them on my toes because they do fit. And then I save the other 3 out of the 4 along with the cuticle pusher. I usually save the bag and just re-put everything back in the bag. And then I save the mailers and recycle them and reuse them. And once I have at least 3 complete sets, I'll do a giveaway. So I like to do usually 4. But when I have enough to do a giveaway, I don't quite. I just did a Nail Shack giveaway not that long ago. So when I get enough saved up, which, you know, like, oh, I don't need Oreo. Getting our hands on one of these. Once I have enough, you know, I will, in one of my future, probably, what is it? So it's March, maybe May. I think I might have enough to do a giveaway in May. So May or June, somewhere along there. And I'll do a giveaway, but I will announce it in a Nail Shack video that I'm doing a giveaway. So stay tuned for that in the next month or 2. And I love sharing what I receive. I love to share. And there we go with that hair again. I appreciate all you watching. Let me know your favorite set. I love the traditional St. Patty's Day ones. They're my favorite. I would love to know your favorite. Have a wonderful day, everyone. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.